Hello everyone. After the completion of introduction of Drug and Cosmetic Act, after that their objectives and schedules under the Pharmacy Acts. The next part is the definitions under the Drug and Cosmetic Acts. In that, first definition, drug. What is meant by drug? Drug is the all medicines for internal or external use of human beings or animals, and all substances intended to be used for the diagnosis, treatment, mitigation, and prevention of any disease or disorder. Okay, drug means the all medicines for internal and external use of human beings, the all substances intended to be used for the diagnosis, treatment, mitigation, or prevention of disease or disorders in human beings or animals, including preparations applied on human body for the purpose of repelling insects like mosquitoes. After that, such substances other than food intended to be affect the structure or any function of human body are intended to be used for destructions of insecticides which causes disease in human beings or animals. Then all the substances intended for use as component of drug, including empty gelatin capsule, and such devices intended for internal or external use in diagnosis, treatment, mitigation, or prevention of disease or disorder in human beings or animals. So first of all, the definitions of the drug, all the medicines that are internal or external use of human beings or animals, all the substances to be used for the diagnosis, treatment, mitigation, or prevention of any disease or disorder in human beings or animals, including the preparations applied on the human body for the purpose of repelling insects like mosquitoes. Then see, after that, cosmetics. Okay, तुम्हाला विचारला जातो define cosmetics. The cosmetics means any article intended to be rubbed, poured, sprinkled, or sprayed on or introduced into, otherwise applied to human body or any part thereof for cleaning, beautifying, promoting attractiveness, or altering the appearance, and includes any article intended for use as a component of cosmetics. Cosmetics means any article intended to be rubbed, म्हणजे जसं की आपण लोशन्स असतील किंवा लिनिमेट्स असतील जे आपण किंवा स्मूथली आपण त्याला रबिंग करून लावतो किंवा स्मूथली लावतो त्याला, किंवा स्पोअर्ड, स्प्रिंकल्ड म्हणजे त्याला स्प्रे करतो, और स्प्रेड ऑन द और इंट्रोड्यूस इन द human body or part thereof for cleaning, beautifying, promoting attractiveness, or altering the appearance, and includes any article intended for use as a component of cosmetics. After that, the Ayurvedic, Siddha and Unani drugs. The Ayurvedic, Siddha and Unani system of medicines specified in Schedule first. We already seen, okay. आपण अगोदर बघितलेलं आहे की जे आयुर्वेदिकमध्ये आयुर्वेदिक, सिद्ध आणि युनानी ड्रग्स जे आहेत त्या शेड्यूल फर्स्टच्या अंडर येतात. इन दॅट इन्क्लूड्स ऑल द मेडिसिन्स इंटेंडेड फॉर इंटरनल और एक्सटर्नल यूज फॉर डायग्नोसिस, ट्रीटमेंट, मिटिगेशन. ओके, मिटिगेशन म्हणजे काय, ते रिड्यूस जे डिसीजचं जे क्युअरिटी आहे ते रिड्यूस करतो. ओके, डायग्नोसिस, ट्रीटमेंट, मिटिगेशन और प्रिव्हेंशन ऑफ डिसीज और डिसऑर्डर इन ह्यूमन बीइंग्स और एनिमल्स, and manufactured executively in accordance with the formula distributed in authoritative book of Ayurvedic, Siddha, Unani system of medicine specified in first schedules. Okay, definition same as it is drug सारखे आहे, पण याच्यामध्ये काय आहे वेगळं, in accordance with the formulae described in authoritative books of Ayurvedic, Siddha, Unani system of medicines specified in the first schedules. जे आयुर्वेदिक, सिद्ध आणि युनानी ड्रग्ज आहेत त्याचं जे डिस्क्रिप्शन आहे, त्याचे जे ऑथॉरिटिव्ह बुक आहे ते कोणते आहेत, आयुर्वेदिक, सिद्ध, युनानी या बुकमध्ये त्यांनी स्पेसिफाईड केलेलं आहे किंवा एकत्रित केलेलं आहे. आणि हे जे आयुर्वेदिक, सिद्ध आणि युनानी आहे ते शेड्यूल फर्स्टमध्ये इन्क्लूड केलेलं आहे त्यांनी. आफ्टर दॅट स्टँडर्ड क्वालिटीज. ओके, द स्टँडर्ड क्वालिटीज ऑफ The standard quality in relation to a drug means that the drug complies the standard set out in the second schedule, and in relation to cosmetics that the cosmetic complies with the such standards as may be prescribed. एखाद्या ड्रगची जर आपल्याला स्टँडर्ड क्वालिटी चेक करायची असेल तर त्याच्या कंपॅरिझनमध्ये आपल्याला त्याला कंपाईल करायचे विथ अ स्टँडर्ड सेट आउट इन द सेकंड शेड्यूल इन रिलेशन टू कॉस्मेटिक्स दॅट कॉस्मेटिक कंपाइल्स विथ सच स्टँडर्ड्स as may be prescribed. After that, the misbranded drug. A drug shall be deemed to be misbranded in that if it is so colored, okay, त्याला कलर जास्त असणं, coated, after that powdered or polished, that damage in concealed, or if it is made to appear of better or greater therapeutic value than really is. Okay, याच्यामध्ये काय आहे misbranded ड्रगमध्ये इट इज सो कलर्ड कोटेड पावडर और पॉलिश्ड that damages in concealed with made appear of better or greater therapeutic value than is. After that, if it is not labeled in prescribed manner, if it is not labeled in prescribed manner, and last one is if its label or container or anything accompanying the drugs bear any statement, design or device which makes any false claim for the drug or which is false misleading in particular. That must misbranded drug if it is so colored, coated, powdered or polished that damage. Okay, after that not labeled in prescribed manner. जे लेबलिंगचं फॉर्मॅट आहे स्पेसिफिक ड्रग्ससाठी स्पेसिफिक लेबल लागतं त्या मॅनरमध्ये नसणं त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो मिसब्रँडेड ड्रग्स. इफ द लेबल ऑर कंटेनर ऑफ एनिथिंग द ड्रग बियर्स इन स्टेटमेंट डिझाईन ऑर डिव्हाइस विच मेक्स एनी फॉल्स क्लेम फॉर द ड्रग ऑर विच इज फॉल्स मिसलिडिंग इन पर्टिक्युलर. इन दॅट इमेजेस फेक अँड रिअल ड्रग्स यू सी इन दॅट ॲव्हॅस्टिटिन याची जी लेबलिंग कंडिशन आहे फेक ड्रगची बघा आणि रिअल ड्रगची बघा. आफ्टर दॅट इकडे बघा दिस काउंटरफिट बोटॉक्स यूज्ड फॉर रॉंग नेम फॉर द ॲक्टिव्ह इन्ग्रेडियंट. इन नेक्स्ट लुक फॉर द होलोग्राफिक इमेज विच द मार्केट्स नेम्स इन केस ऑफ ॲलर्जन. तुम्हाला दिसते फेक अँड रिअल ड्रगचा डिफरन्स काय आहे तो लेबलिंग कंडिशन जे आहे ते इफ इट इज नॉट लेबल इन प्रिस्क्राइब्ड मॅनर म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये ॲव्हॅस्टिन जो ड्रग आहे रिअलची लेबलिंग बघा साईज आणि फेक ड्रगची लेबलिंग बघा. ओके, आणखी एक्झाम्पल आहेत वियाग्राचं एक्झाम्पल आहे, नॉर्वॅक्सचं एक्झाम्पल आहे, अर्सुमॅनचं एक्झाम्पल आहे. आफ्टर दॅट नेक्स्ट द मिसब्रँडेड कॉस्मेटिक्स. ओके, cosmetics shall be deemed to misbranded if it contains color which is not prescribed. Okay, if it contains color which is not prescribed in cosmetics. After that, it is not labeled in prescribed manner. And third one is if the label containing, okay, if the label container or anything accompanied the cosmetic bears in a statement which is false or misleading in any particular. In misbranded cosmetics, it contains color which is not prescribed. Second one is not labeled in prescribed manner, and third one is the label or container or anything accompanied the cosmetics bears in a statement which is false or misleading in any particular matter. After that, adulterated drug. In adulterated drug, a drug should be deemed to adulterated in that if consists in whole of part of any filthy, putrid or decomposed substances. Okay, adulterated drug, it consists of in whole or part in filthy, putrid and decomposed substances. जे त्याला आपण म्हणतो जे घाणेरडे पदार्थ आहेत त्याच्यापासून अडल्टरेटेड ड्रग तयार होतात. याचा मिनिंग हाच आहे इफ इट हॅज बीन प्रिपेअर्ड पॅक्ड ऑर स्टोअर अंडर इनसॅनिटरी कंडिशन वेअर बाय it may have been contaminated with filth or whereby it may have been rendered injurious to the health. Okay, an adulterated drug, it consists of filthy, putrid or decomposed substances. After that, has been prepared, packed or stored under insanitary conditions, म्हणजे स्वच्छता जे म्हणतो आपण ते मेंटेन केलेले नसते कंडिशन्स, वेअर बाय इट मे बी contaminated with filth or whereby it may have been rendered injurious to the health. असे ड्रग जे आपल्या हेल्थला इंजुरियस असतात. आफ्टर दॅट, इफ इट्स कंटेनर इज कंपोज्ड इन होल or in a part of any poisonous and deleterious substances which may render the contents of injurious to health. Then, if it contains for purpose of coloring only a color other than one color in prescribed, or if it contains any harmful or toxic substances which may render it injurious to health. Then, if any substance has been mixed therewith so as to reduce its quality or strength. Example आहेत supply of cheap concealed oil instead of olive oil. Example काय आहे supplied of cheap concealed oil or instead of olive oil. अडल्ट्रेटेड ड्रगमध्ये एवढं लक्षात ठेवायचं की एखाद्या ड्रगचं डुप्लिकेट तयार करणं त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, अडल्ट्रेटेड ड्रग म्हणतो, किंवा त्याला रिड्यूस करणे, त्याची जी क्वालिटी आहे ते रिड्यूस करणे. ओके. देन स्पुरियस ड्रग्स, जे ड्रग जे उत्तेजित करतात मानवाला त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण, स्पुरियस ड्रग. इफ इट इज इम्पोर्टेड अंडर अ नेम विच बिलॉंगिंग टू अनदर नेम. ओके, it is imported under a name which belonging to another name, or if it is emission of or substitute for another drug, resembles another drug in manner likely, devices or bears upon its label container the name another drug unless it is plainly and conspicuously marketed so as to reveal its true character and its lack of identity with some drugs or other drugs. In spurious drugs, the imported drugs are under the name which belonging to another name. After that, if the label or the container bears the name of individual or company purporting to the manufacturer of the drug, which individual or company is fictitious or does not exist. After that, has been substituted wholly, or companies fictitious or does not exist. In that spurious drug च्या डेफिनेशनमध्ये एक लक्षात ठेवायचं, if it has been substituted wholly in plant by another drug or substances, it purports to be the product of manufacturer of whom it is not truly a product. Example, when methamphetamine is sold as a cocaine. Okay. Then spurious cosmetics, same, it is imported under the name of belonging to another cosmetics. It is imitations of each substitution for another cosmetics, or resembles another cosmetics in a manner likely to devices or bears upon its label container name and another cosmetics. After that, if the label or container bears the name of individual or company purporting to be manufacturer of the cosmetics, which individuals or companies fictitious or does not exist. After that, it is purports to be product of manufacturer of whom it is not truly a product. Spurious drug मध्ये काय आहे, if it is purports to the product of a manufacturer of whom it is not truly a product. After that, what is mean the new drug. New drug म्हणजे काय, new substances of a chemical or biological or biotechnological origin in bulk or prepared dosage form used for prevention, diagnosis, treatment of disease in human and animals, which except during local clinical trials has not been used in country to any significant extent and which has not been recognized in country as effective and safe for the proposed claim is called as the new drug. A drug already approved by the licensing authority for certain claim which is not proposed to be marketed, which modified or new claim, namely indications, dosage form, they are including sustained drug release drug dosage form and route of administration. What is meant by new drug? The new drug or chemical or biological origin in bulk or prepared drug formulation which are used in prevention, diagnosis or treatment of disease in animal and man, which except during the local or clinical trial has not been used, okay, in the country to any significant extent and which has not been recognized in the country. After that, a fixed dose combination of 2 or more drug individually approved earliest for the certain claim which has not proposed to be combined with the first time in fixed ratio, or if the ratio of ingredients in already marketed combination is proposed to be changed with certain claims via indications, dosage form and route of drug administration. For the purpose of this rule, all the vaccines shall be new drug unless certified otherwise the licensing authority. The purpose क्या है? All the vaccines shall be a new drug unless certified otherwise by the licensing authority, and after that a new drug shall be continued to be considered as a new drug for a period of 4 years from the date of first approval or inclusion in IP, whichever is. After that, government analyst. In relation to Ayurvedic Siddha and Unani drug, a person appointed by the central or state government under section 33F. हे मागच्या MCQ मध्ये विचारलेलं आहे. In relation to Ayurvedic Siddha or Unani drugs, a persons appointed by the central government or state government under section 33F. Then in relation to any other drugs or cosmetics, a person appointed by the central government or state government under section 20. Section लक्षात ठेवायचे. Inspector in relation to a Ayurvedic Siddha or Unani drug, inspector appointed by the central or state government under section 33G. Drug government analyst 33F. After that, in other or cosmetics, the inspector appointed by the central or state government under section 21, inspector and government analyst section 20. Difference लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे. After that, manufacture आपण काय म्हणतो? Any process or part of process for making, altering, ornamenting, finishing, packaging, labeling, breaking up or otherwise treating or adapting any drug or cosmetics which a view to scale or distribution but does not including compounding, dispensing of any drug or the packaging of any drug or cosmetics in ordinary courses of retail business and to manufacture shall be constructed accordingly. Manufacturing काय म्हणतो? Any process or part of process for making, altering, ornamenting, finishing, packaging, labeling and breaking up or otherwise treating, adapting in a drug or cosmetics. After that, we will see in next lecture.